Good day and welcome back to Ginger's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my really gross cookie sheet. This fell underneath my island and I found it. I had forgotten all about it, wondered where it went, but it's really gross. Now this is the front of the cookie sheet. Now get ready. I'm going to show you the back, and I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to show you the back, and then I'm going to show you how well it all cleaned up. There's the back. Isn't that disgusting? I only am using a scrubber from the Dollar Tree and Blue Dawn. And watch what happens. Now, I'm not going to say this is easy because you do have to use some elbow grease. But look at how it does come off. And if you do this every time you wash your cookie sheet, it'll make a huge difference. Now, if you watch the video very carefully, you'll see that it's coming off in real time. And just so you know, I didn't use the cookie sheet like this. I would wrap it with foil before I had actually lost it and found it again. But like I said, this fell underneath my island. I was looking for it because I wanted to see if I could clean it up or whether I was just going to throw it out. And I wouldn't do this in good clothes because it gets pretty messy. Now take a look at this. I think it came out pretty clean. There's a couple of little spots that I still have to work on, but what a difference, huh? Amazing. Now this is the after, and like I said, there's a couple little spots I need to work on, but what a difference. And you can see in this view, it really came clean. It's really quite amazing considering what it looked like. Now this is the back. Remember what the back looked like? Here's what the back did look like. And now you're going to see the after again. This is a Dollar Tree scrubber, Dawn, and lots of elbow grease. Look at the difference. Thank you for visiting. I hope you like and subscribe. And until next time.